Welcome to Sham Chemistry Online Learning, a new path to learning chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss stereochemistry of allenes, spirocompounds, and biphenyls. Okay, let us discuss one by one. In previous video, we have discussed about absolute configuration, that is RS configuration. In this video, we are going to assign same RS nomenclature to the allenes, spirocompounds, and biphenyls. Let us discuss one by one. Let us start with allenes. Stereochemistry of allenes. What are the allenes first? Allenes are cumulative dienes or cumulated dienes which are having two double bonds at same carbon. H, H, H. It is allene. Okay. When these all hydrogens are all these hydrogens are replaced with any other same group, this allene now it is symmetrical. Okay. To symmetrical molecule we cannot assign RS configuration. We have to look at whether the asymmetric carbon or asymmetric atom or whether the molecule asymmetric or disymmetric, right? In order to bring this molecule into asymmetric or disymmetric, these hydrogens are substituted with other group like AB, C, AB in place of two hydrogens, substituting one hydrogen with A, other hydrogen with B. Same way, a third carbon also we are substituting A and B. Then now it is disymmetric molecule. Disymmetric molecule, right? Or all the four hydrogens when replaced with different groups like A, B, here D and E, then molecule becomes asymmetric, right? So one of the important property of this allenes, all the carbons are attached in one plane, but in four hydrogens, two hydrogens are arranged in different plane. Suppose I am writing by taking AB example, that is disymmetric molecule. C double bond C double bond C, here COOH, one of the hydrogen substituted with hydrogen, and third carbon having like this, means COOH, AB group. It is away from the observer, sorry, it is a hydrogen away from the hydrogen, it is towards observer, or it is above the plane, then it is below the plane, wedge dash representation. Okay. Now it is disymmetric molecule. Right? Disymmetric molecules are having only C2 axis of symmetry, right? So I am taking other category like ABDE. Double bond C, here Cl H, AB, here it is a D, okay. This is also now possible. AB or AE also possible, okay. AE. Now it is AB, AE. Right? Now it is asymmetric molecule. Right? This is having only C1. Okay. So we can assign R and S configuration to this alleles, okay, by applying CIP rules. Okay, let us discuss RS nomenclature of alleles. Okay. Right. So to assign RS nomenclature for asymmetric disymmetric molecules, we have to remember RS configuration. We have to remember few important points when we are assigning R and S configuration to the allenes or spirocompounds or biphenyls. Okay, in three cases we have two different groups. One type groups are near groups. Okay. Second type of groups, far groups, means near to observer, away from the observer. To assign priority to these near and far groups, always near groups have given priority, more priority than the far groups. Okay. To assign RS configuration to allenes, spiranes and biphenyls, we have to remember these points. Okay. Same as Fisher projection formula. Okay. Near groups placed horizontally in Newman projection formula, same as it is we have what we have discussed in other cases, other examples. Okay. Third point, far groups, those groups are away from the observer, far groups placed vertically. Okay. Near groups will be given higher priority than the far groups. Okay. Suppose I am taking one molecule, then discuss. C double bond C, H CO OH. COOH, here it is H. Suppose observer looking from here, okay, observer looking from here, then these two are near groups, these two are far groups. Okay, to assign configuration to this allene molecule, it is allene. First, we have to write this molecule in Fisher projection formula. While writing Fisher projection formula, these two are now near groups. Here it is a H. These two groups are now far groups. Okay. According to rule, near groups will be given first priority than the far groups. Means here two near groups are present in this molecule. First, according to CIP rule, first give priority in between these two. Which will get first priority? COOH get first priority, then hydrogen gets second priority. Over. Then after giving priority to near groups to the observer, then go for the far groups. In far groups in these two, which is highest priority? This is highest priority, then it 4. Third, now it is 4. Okay, now it is 4. Right. After assigning priority, first you write this molecule in Fisher prediction formula. Okay. Now all these are in one line. Assume. Now I am writing for groups in vertical line, for groups placed in vertical. What are the for groups here? COOH and H. Okay. Here it is below the plane, hydrogen above the plane. While writing vertical groups, write above the plane group above, below the plane group below. Above the plane group hydrogen, below the plane group COH. Okay. Now to represent these groups, these two groups are near to the observer, then represented on horizontal line. When observer looking from here, hydrogen now it is on left hand side of the observer. This group now it is right side of the right side of the observer. When you are writing these two groups, which is left side to the observer, right, in Fisher prediction formula left hand side, which is right hand side, right hand. Okay. Then keep priorities same as it is here 1 and 2. COH given priority is 1, H near group hydrogen given 2. Same for groups are given hydrogen 4. Okay, then COH 3. Okay, same as CIP rule, RS configuration rule. Forget about the least priority group. Look at other 3 groups, how they are rotating. Right? So now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means okay. 1, 2, 3. Moving towards left side. Priority order moving left hand side. Therefore, it is yes configuration. Okay. That's all. Simple. Assign the priorities to near groups first, then the far groups. Okay. Far groups represent in vertical line, near groups represent in horizontal line. Forget about the least priority group. Look at the rotation. Okay. If it is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, then it is S. If it is clockwise, then the R will be given. Okay. Let us take other example. One more example. C double bond C double bond C. Here H, here Cl. H, here it is Br. Okay. Now first give priority to near observer looking from here. Okay. Observer looking from here. These two are near groups, these two are far groups. Near groups will be given first priority. In between these two, fluorine, highest atomic number, first priority, then the hydrogen. Second priority goes to hydrogen. After giving priority to near groups, go for far groups. Okay, in between these two, bromine is highest atomic number. This will get third priority. Now this hydrogen gets fourth priority. Okay, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Here, first you give priority to the near groups. Then write near groups in horizontal line. Now hydrogen, left hand side, chlorine, right hand side. Okay, right hydrogen left, chlorine right. Okay, draw vertical line which is above, bromine is above. Look at this wedge and dash, which is above, wedge is above the plane, dash is the below the plane, right? Then above the plane atom, right at the top, Br, below the plane hydrogen, right? Now it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Forget about this. Look at other three groups, priority order, moving 1, 2, 3, right? Now clockwise. Clockwise means it has configuration R. That's all, simple. Same way, spirants also given RS nomenclature. Let us discuss about spirants. Spirants. Okay. What are the spirants? Okay. In allenes, one of the bond substituted with these two bonds now, not one of the, these two bonds now substituted with CH2 group. Here also same, this bond CH2, right? Now here it is a H, here it is a H, H. Now it is spirane. Double bonds are replaced with CH2 groups. It is simply written as, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-membered cycle. It is very, very important, right? While writing the structure, sorry. Okay. Right. One, two, three, four. This ring, then other ring. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Remaining here hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Right. Now it is a representation of this spirane. Like allenes, when these 4 hydrogens are replaced with other groups, same as allenes, spiranes also asymmetric or disymmetric when these hydrogens are substituted like allenes. So one more here, remember, all these atoms are not in planar like allenes. Here also two rings also not in one plane. Okay, therefore one these are twisted. These two rings are twisted rings. Twisted. Okay. Suppose take this. Sorry. All right. Um, it is on all the carbons are now on paper plane. Other ring, this carbon above the plane, this carbon below the plane. Okay. Now these two hydrogens where it is dash bond. Okay, dash bond. You write this wedge bond, no problem. Okay, a simple line. Wedge also you write, no problem. Here it is a plane of the paper ring. Then in these two hydrogens now, one hydrogen below the plane, other hydrogen above the plane. Right? It is 3D representation. Now it is above the plane. This carbon above the plane. Right? This carbon now below the plane. Below the plane. Now these two hydrogens on plane, on the paper plane. Right? It is below the plane. Now it is above the plane. Okay, it is very important. Two rings are not in one plane. Okay, one ring. Now these two now, this total ring, plane of the paper, on plane of the paper. Total ring carbons in one plane. Here these two carbons on plane, this is below the plane, this is above the plane. Okay, plane of the paper. Right. So this is structure of 3D structure of spiranes. When spirane, like allenes, spiranes also when substituted with other groups, then these molecules also asymmetric or disymmetric. Then we will give RS configuration to spiranes also. Let us discuss RS configuration same as allenes for this spiranes. Okay, RS nomenclature, RS configuration for spiranes, right? Same compounds I am writing again with different atoms. Right, on paper plane it is. Now same as it is, one of the atom below the plane, other atom above the plane, right? Next, other ring, right? So now it is above the plane, this carbon above the plane, this carbon below the plane, right? Now other groups H and COOH. If these are above and below, these two are on paper plane. These two are paper plane. It is above the plane, it is below the plane. This ring on paper plane, this ring, these two carbons, ring is twisted. It is below the plane, it is the above the plane. Right. Now, same as like allenes, here also observer looking from here. Okay, observer looking from here. Right. So, it is right side of the observer. It is left hand side. COH group left hand side. Now it is below the plane. It is above the plane. Right. While writing Fisher formula, near groups are represented in horizontal line. Okay, near groups always represented in horizontal line. Right side hydrogen, left side COH. Okay. First assign priorities to these two, 1 and 2. In between these two, it is 1, it is 2, right? Okay. Now, it is 1, it is 2. Horizontal is over. These two are now far groups. Far groups have written in Fisher projection formula in vertical axis, which is above COH above the plane, which is below hydrogen is below. In between these two, sorry, here 1, 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, right? Okay. So now it is 3, it is 4. Okay. Then forget about fourth group, look at the other three groups. Priority moving 1, 2, 3 counterclockwise. Therefore it has S configuration. That's all. Simple. Okay. Same way we can give any other molecule. Okay. As per according to CIP rules. Let us take one more example for this. Okay, now here it is above the plane. It is below the plane. Now I am taking other groups, nitro group NO2 here, Cl group is CH3 group. Okay, observer looking from here, right? Observer looking from here. These two are now near groups. Give first priority. Nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen gets first priority, hydrogen gets second priority. Then come to these two. Chlorine gets next priority, third. Carbon gets methyl group, fourth priority. Take Fisher projection formula, horizontal, vertical lines. In horizontal axis, right, near groups. These are near groups now, these two. Okay, these two far groups for the observer, from the observer, right? So it is left side to the left observer, it is right. In horizontal axis, left atom right on left side and go to right group right in right hand side. In vertical axis, far groups, above plane Cl, above the plane right above, below the plane methyl group right below. Okay, now it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Forget about this. Look at other three groups. Right. What is the configuration now? It is yes. Okay. This configuration. So it is a way to represent ORS configuration to the asymmetric disymmetric molecules like allenes and spiranes. Okay. Take one more example. It is wedge. Wedge means half of the part, this half part above the plane, remaining half part below the plane. These two groups on the plane. Here it is nitro group, all carbons now paper plane on the plane. One of the atom above the plane, other group below the plane. Right? Same observer now looking from here. Okay, observer looking from here. It is right side to the observer, it is left side group. Now it is above the plane, it is below the plane. Assign the priority in between these two near groups, first priority, second priority. Okay, for groups, given priority after the near groups. In between these two, now phenyl groups gets third priority, hydrogen gets fourth priority. Now write Fisher formula, horizontal, vertical. In horizontal near groups, which is left now, COO C2H5, COO C2H5 on left hand side, hydrogen right hand side. Okay, which is above the plane, hydrogen above the plane, which is below the plane, phenyl group C6H5 below. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4 priority groups. Okay, now forget about list priority group 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, moving priority decreasing order 1, 2, 3 moving clockwise manner. Therefore, it has R configuration. Okay. For convenience, we are representing on Fisher projection formula. Now it is about spiranes coming to biphenyls. Biphenyls. Okay, in this case, two phenyl groups joined with sigma bond. Okay, it is one phenyl group, then it is another phenyl group. These two are now connected with sigma bond. Now it is biphenyl. Okay. Now we cannot assign any conversion to this biphenyl. When biphenyls are substituted with ortho positions of two rings, then we can give RS configuration to this molecule. Okay. XY, XY, XY. When two ortho positions of each ring substituted with bulky group, all these are bulky groups. Okay, then it is also exhibit stereoisomerism when these two are substituted ortho position with bulky groups. Okay, take an example for substituted diphenyls. Hydrogen, here it is SO3H. Okay, other ring, here SO3H, here H. Okay, now same as pyranes, two rings are not in same plane. It is in paper plane. It is above the plane, half of the part below the plane, half of the part above the plane. Okay. Twisted type. It is above the plane. Now it is below the plane. Okay. Now it is on paper plane. Right. Observer looking from here. Okay. Observer looking from here. It is hydrogen, right? Okay. Hmm. These two are now near groups. It is left hand side. Now it is right side to the observer. This group below the plane, this group above the plane. Above the plane. Same as spirants, right? Here also we are writing Fisher projection formula. Same thing. Horizontal, vertical line. Which groups are now in horizontal? Near to the observer. Okay, hydrogen and SO3. Left side hydrogen, right side SO3H. Okay, give priority to this group first. Sulfur hydrogen. Sulfur has highest atomic number, gets first priority. Hydrogen gets second priority. Coming to rare groups, far groups. In these two, SO3H gets third priority, hydrogen gets fourth priority. Now, right side what? SO3H. Write SO3H here. Left side, hydrogen. Above the plane, hydrogen. Below the plane, SO3H. Okay. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Forget about least priority group. Look at other three groups. Rotation, priority decreasing order moves 1, 2, 3 counterclockwise. Therefore, it has S configuration. Okay, that's all. Right? Take another molecule. Two phenyl groups joined with sigma bond, one of the ring in different plane. Okay, it is above the plane. Right? Two ortho positions substituted with groups. NHAC, OMG. Here COOH, same NHAC. Right? Paper plane. Now observer looking from here. Okay. Near group these two, far group these two. It is above the plane. It is below the plane. Now to the observer it is right hand side. It is left hand side. Okay. First give priority. Near groups first priority. Observer here. These two are near groups. Okay. Near groups O here N. O atomic number 8, N 7. OMe group gets first priority, NHAC gets second priority. Okay, coming to PAR groups, carbon, nitrogen. Nitrogen has atomic number 7, carbon 6. Then this group gets first priority, 1, 2, 3. Then this, fourth priority. Okay. Now same, right Fisher projection, near groups at horizontal axis. Right hand side, what? OMe. Okay. Left hand side, NHAC. Okay. Right. Above the plane, COH. Below the plane, NHAC. Okay. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Now, forget about fourth priority group. Look at other three. 1, 2, 3. Rotation is now counterclockwise. Means it is also yes. Right? Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Configuration. Right? Right. Take other example. Same biphenyl group. This ring in other plane. It is same paper plate. NO2 Br iodine hydrogen. Okay. Observer looking from here. Okay. Observer looking from here. These two are now near groups. These two far groups. Give priority. First priority bromine, highest atomic number. Nitrogen group second. Coming to far groups, iodine. Next priority third. Hydrogen gets least priority. Right. Right Fisher projection. Near groups. Observer looking from here means observer here. It is right now. Okay. This group now left to the observer. It is above the plane. It represents wedge bond represents above the plane. Other group below the plane. Right? Now write all the groups in Fisher projection formula. Near groups at horizontal line. Left what? Bromine. Right? NO2. Top above the plane. Top hydrogen. Below the plane bottom iodine. Okay, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 clockwise. Therefore, it has R configuration. Right? So, All these are examples for asymmetric and disymmetric molecules. We can also assign RS nomenclature to asymmetric disymmetric molecules. Okay, when we are assigning RS nomenclature for asymmetric and disymmetric molecules, we have to remember two things, right? Near groups will be given first priority, then the rare groups. Okay, same as it is, near groups will be represented at horizontal axis, far groups represented in vertical axis, right? These two things are to remember. Remaining same as it is. First, give priority to near groups, then go for the rare groups. All these groups write in Fisher partition formula. Look at what is the priority decreasing order 1, 2, 3. If it is clockwise or if it is anti-clockwise, yes. Okay, all these are uh, stereochemistry of allenes, spiranes and biphenyls. Right? Thank you very much.